Hi there, here we are for the unboxing of Huawei WS322 Wi-Fi extender. WS322 is a mini wireless router with repeater and client functions. Let's have a look on the packing. It is small in size and you can see some product spec on the side of the packing with multi-languages and some configuration diagram. Okay, it is a high-speed router. The transmission rate can be up to 300 megabit per second. It is quite fast, and it has multiple modes. Its selling point: it can work as a router, it can work as a repeater, and also work as a client. I will talk about it later. Okay, let's open up the box. Okay, as you can see, there's not much inside the devices. A quick start menu in few pages. A spare label, which is the same as on the devices. Also a safety information guide. Okay. To the devices, it is a small one, white in color, a square on the top with Huawei logo. It is quite stylish, and at the back it is the power, and you can see that the power supply is integrated into the device, so there is no extra power adapter required. And what the plug in my hand is the British 3-pin plug, and Huawei offers another kind of standard such as this. This is the Europe 2-pin standard, and you can see that there's in same size and nothing different in features, and yeah. Okay. At the side there is an Ethernet port. This Ethernet port, you can connect it to PC or to your main routers. It depends what working mode you are at. I will talk about it later. There's a reset button. To use this button, and you can reset your device setting back to the default one. That's the factory setting. And right here is the label with device information, including the SSID and the password. Okay, let me talk about more on the working mode. We come back to the packing. There's a multiple working mode: router, client, and repeater. The first working mode is the repeater mode. Under repeater mode, what you need to do is to connect your LAN cable from your broadband. That's the broadband LAN cable to these devices, and then your area will be under you can share your area with Wi-Fi. That's the router mode. This is simple. And the second working mode is the repeater mode. Repeater mode, the device is used to enhance your original Wi-Fi signal. You can imagine that your main router is in your living room, and sometimes you will find your Wi-Fi signal in your bedroom is not very good. Maybe sometimes even unstable. So with these devices work as repeater mode, you can extend the Wi-Fi and to increase the coverage of your original signal. Okay, and the third mode is the client mode. kind mode, you may find it quite complicated, but you just can consider it as a Wi-Fi to LAN adapter. For nowadays, there are some devices without they don't have the Wi-Fi connection, such as some TV box, such as IP cam, or some old PC. They only have LAN port to connect to network. So with this device broadcast client mode, what you need to do is to use it to receive your original Wi-Fi signal, and the device can convert the signal to LAN cable to your devices. That means you don't need to have a messy LAN cable wiring. You just plug this device next to your IP cam, next to your TV set-top box, and a short LAN cable will be done. Okay, that's the 3 working mode it has. And as well as WS322, Huawei also launched another model called WS323. So you may ask, this one is the WS323. You may ask what's the difference, and I will show you. In the packing, you can see they are much or less the same, and WS323, WS322, they even have the exact same appearance. Okay, there are 2 differences for these 2 models. One of them is the Wi-Fi dual band. Okay, let me show this one. For WS323, it is Wi-Fi dual band. That means other than the normal 2.4 GHz frequency band, you can choose 5 GHz frequency band as well. And actually 5 GHz band is much, the interference is much less. This is the one of the difference. And other difference is that it is about the Ethernet port. You can see in WS322, the Ethernet port is fast Ethernet port. That means the transmission rate of the LAN port is 100 megabit per second at maximum. But in WS323, the maximum transmission rate of the LAN port can up to 1000 megabit per second. So it is so-called gigabit Ethernet port. Okay, that's the 2 differences between WS322 and WS323. And so finally, with these 2 devices, you can say bye-bye to maxi cables. Okay, that's all for my introduction. Thanks for your time, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.